there are components of the immune system that interact with virions. And then so that will elicit the primary immune response. They will interact with proteins on the envelope of the virus, and then they'll go back to the lymph nodes, and then the cells will interact and they will produce antibodies that will then be able to go and kill the viruses. But the thing is, that whole process takes 4 or 5 days. So in that time span, you've become infected by the virus, and you could be potentially very, very ill and also be infecting other people. So what the vaccine does is it artificially prompts the primary immune response. So in the past, we had taken viruses and attenuated them. So we, made them unable to act. So an attenuated virus or a viral particle, also we would take just the envelope protein itself,
the proteins,
and put that in there. And so then everything, right, it's just a protein, but it is the antigen. It is the thing that the immune system is going to recognize and respond to. So the point is that we inject something into the human body that elicits the primary immune response, such that the necessary antibodies are produced, so that if the body ever comes into contact with that virus, it has antibodies ready to go. When antibodies interact with that antigen, it's a signal, and then macrophages come and destroy the invading entity. So just everything can happen really fast. The immune system can work right away and kill the viruses, as opposed to waiting this 4 or 5 day time period for antibodies to be produced. So that's really all it is. And so again, classically, it had been attenuated viruses or viral particles. The new thing now is with these mRNA vaccines, but it's really not very different, because as we said, we would inject the viral protein. Well, what we've done instead is this mRNA transcript in our body's transcription and translation. So the DNA is read to, a gene is read to make an mRNA, and then the mRNA is translated to make a protein. So here, this foreign mRNA is translated into the viral protein. So instead of injecting the viral protein, we inject viral mRNA, which is translated to make the viral protein. So it's just one extra step, and we're just getting the viral protein that way, so that it can interact with that and generate the antibodies. And so the reason this is brilliant is because in the past we've made mistakes, right? People have injected what they thought were attenuated viruses that actually weren't. So like there was a whole batch of polio vaccines where they just gave people polio. They didn't properly attenuate the virus, so they just injected them with polio. Like it's, and so this is a very good, this is a very interesting innovation, because there's no viral particle being injected.